Hello guys, this is Shinjin. Welcome to my channel, and today I have with me Samsung M21. Which I would like to call it like a mid-range killer, like not a flagship killer but a mid-range killer, because it has so much to offer, and like the price is really very reasonable. You know, Samsung somehow managed to keep this phone's price pretty competitive, because it comes for 13,499 in India, and it comes with an Exynos 9611 processor, which is a really good processor, competing with, like, you can say, MediaTek Helio P90T processor for gaming, which is specially made for gaming, and even Snapdragon 730G or 712G, whatever, Snapdragon 675, better than all those things. And I would like to share a screenshot that the flagship processor of this, like 9820, like Samsung Exynos 9820, the flagship processor, and it's competing with Exynos 9611, and the gap is really very low. I would like to share, because the gap is almost like 10%, and Exynos 9820 comes with Samsung S10. You know, other than US, all the other country gets like with the Exynos processor for the Galaxy S series. So that's really bad. You know, we are paying for a flagship phone, but we are getting the phone, you know, with the Exynos processor. That's really bad. But anyways, there's a catch, because Samsung would like to, you know, do some cost cutting and all. So that's another story for a different day. But today we will actually stick to M21, and it comes with a massive 6000 milliampere battery, and I have tasted it. It easily goes through, you know, 2 days of entire work. If you are like like a gamer or something like that, intense PUBG gaming, so it will stay for like a day, or maybe a little bit of top up. You know, you may have to do. But anyways, M21 is a very good phone, and the Geekbench records also, you can see the Geekbench scores quite impressive, because in this price range generally we get Snapdragon 430 or maybe 630, something sort of like that. So Exynos 9611 in this price range is really good, and it's a better deal than M30s and M31. If you're looking for a mid-range phone with a triple camera, because the main camera sensor comes with like a 48 megapixel, and it has a telephoto and ultra wide, so very nice camera set of cameras. And I have clicked few pictures also, I will share with you in the video only, and it clicks decent pictures. And the selfie camera is also good, but not so good as you would expect, because it has a tendency to overexpose your background. So that's something maybe a software update can fix. And it comes with Android 10 with One UI 2.0 on top of it, and One UI is very nice, and the fingerprint sensor is on the back, so it's a convenient thing, because instead of using an optical fingerprint sensor on screen, Samsung just chose fingerprint scanner on the back, because just to cost savings and all. So that is it, and it's a really good deal. So if you're looking for like a phone within 15K, it is better than Realme 6. It is better than Realme 6 Pro also, because with Samsung you are getting a sense of security also, because Samsung phone comes with that Samsung Knox security layer also, so which is really important, because we nowadays intend to do financial transactions like Paytm, PhonePe from our phone only, so extra layer of security is always good. So Samsung phone is really good in that sense, because I have no faith in this Chinese phone and all. So anyways, that's a controversial topic, because many YouTubers I have seen here pushing Realme and MI phones and all, but I don't like it. I would like to stick with Samsung in this price range, because now M21 is available, because before that A20 and A21 was not a good offering from Samsung, but in M series Samsung has just gone all the way in the mid ranges. So very nicely done Samsung, thumbs up for that. So, and I would make another video on my another handset, because which I got another one also, that is a Samsung S10 Lite. That video is coming very soon. Stay tuned for that, and see you in my next video. Till then, Godspeed, take care, peace, bye everyone.